Fresh allegations rock Judiciary over Nnamdi Kanu's trial. Yes, good day, my dear listeners. Thanks for joining. Today, I bring to you another fresh details as an allegations rock Judiciary over the leader of indigenous people of Biafra IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu's trial. Moving on to the full details, kindly please ensure you like, subscribe to this channel and share. Fresh controversy has trailed the trial of IPOB leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as his legal team released a detailed report accusing Nigeria's judiciary of multiple infractions, including violation of constitutional rights, disobedience of court orders, and reliance on repealed laws. In the statement signed by Lonyede Kachil Ifedi, ESQ, consultant to the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Global Defense Consortium, the judiciary was accused of weaponizing justice against the innocent by legalizing manifest injustice. The legal team highlighted 7 major judicial breaches in Kanu's ongoing trial. Unlawful jurisdiction after rendition. They argued that Kanu's abduction from Kenya and extraordinary rendition to Nigerian violated international law and the African Charter, yet the court assumed jurisdiction. Use of repealed laws. Charges were based on the 2013 Terrorism Prevention Act, which was repealed in 2022, contrary to constitutional provisions that bar conviction under non-existent laws. Denial of fair hearing. His lawyers alleged that the DSS and the trial court denied him access to documents and counsel, while also conducting secret trials in breach of the Constitution. Disobedience of appeal court judgment. They recall the Court of Appeal ruling of October 2022, which prohibited Kanu's detention and prosecution due to the illegal rendition, a judgment that was allegedly ignored. Endorsement of extraordinary rendition. According to them, Nigerian court violated international law by proceeding with trial despite the illegal abduction. Procedural abuses. The prosecution allegedly filed endless amendments to charges and presented witnesses accused of perjury with no sanctions from the court. Failure to uphold constitutional supremacy. The statement accused the judiciary of bowing to executive pressure and abandoning its role as the last hope of the common man. Quote in the Bible, the report compared the judiciary to a throne of iniquity, framing mischief by law, insisting that the catalogue of infractions showed illegality, injustice, and impunity against Kanu. The defense team concluded that unless these breaches are corrected, Nigerian justice system risks total erosion of public confidence. My dear listeners, let's move down to the comment section. The first commenter says they should allow this man to cool off in jail than all these noises. Another comment here says, Nnamdi Kanu lawyers should be held responsible for keeping behind bars. They keep insulting judges and raising issues legally indefensible. EPA case in Finland was promptly dispensed with due to lack of senseless prehistoric and rehistoric. Let Kanu apologize to the nation or wait for pardon. Another comment here says, imagine what Nnamdi Kanu lawyers are saying. American flew all the way to Pakistan to kill Osama bin Laden. What Nnamdi Kanu lawyers said is that Nigerian government should let the bloodthirsty terrorist go because Nnamdi Kanu was not captured through extradition. So all the innocent people, security operatives inclusive, should die in vain. No way. He must answer for all the atrocities against Nigeria. Still at the comment section, the response to that says, look at your comparison. Osama bin Laden, does it fit? What was Osama's activities and what is Nnamdi Kanu'S? Please be guided, reject wickedness and hatred. Exactly what I'm saying. This is a pure hatred and people are bitter. Osama bin Laden is a chronic terrorist. He's a chronic terrorist at that. Yes, another response to that says, you people are the cause of this country. Are you blind to see that the government is having a peace talk with bandits, but holding in captivity the innocent ones? You hypocrite. Exactly, they won't talk about that. Even those people that came with peace talks, and were still they were fully harmed. Their pictures were they took pictures with the people in the society and they displayed it online. And yet, these people cannot be apprehended. Same these people after the peaceful meeting, they still went ahead to do another operation. So tell me, what is the purpose of the peace talk? And yet, Nnamdi Kanu, which doesn't carry arms, is there at the DSS detention. And here we are talking about that Nnamdi Kanu is a terrorist. Who is the terrorist then? So my dear listeners, now have come to the last comment here says it is not a fresh allegation. They have been on these lies ever since. Lies and propaganda that have always been their stock in trade. Either they like or they no like it. The thing be say Kanu must be punished, adapting a songwriter. So my dear listeners, now we've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop out the comment section and let us know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.